Hello, I'm here to talk to you about how you manage your stakeholders in the context of Brexit. Firstly, you need to work out who your stakeholders are. Your employees will be a very important category, but don't overlook your customers and your suppliers. And on the subject of suppliers, that's services as well as goods, of course. Your shareholders are another important category, both your actual shareholders and the organisations who take an indirect interest, such as the FRC or auditors. And last but no means least, your banks and other providers of finance. So once you've worked out your stakeholder groups, then you need to work out what message you want to give to them. And again, it's going to vary by stakeholder. Employees want to be reassured and supported, and we've found in many of our Brexit projects, consulted too about the future direction the business might take. Customers want to know about your business continuity, but may also ask for slower payment terms. Think now about which of your customers you'll support and on which revised terms. The other point on customers that's quite interesting is that the more open you are with customers, the more open they're likely to be with you about how their own businesses might change as a result of Brexit. Suppliers want to know if demand for their products and services is going to change and may ask for faster payment terms. Shareholders want transparency and visibility over your risks. The FRC expects greater disclosure, and your auditors will challenge your assumptions and planning. Banks and finance providers want to see detailed working capital and cash flow analyses, and that you've stress-tested your business for economic downturn. An increasing trend we're seeing in the market is that finance is getting harder to come by, so make sure that if you're refinancing, you've got all of your ducks in a row to get that. So then you need to work out the most appropriate means of communicating with your stakeholders. There are a wide choice of options. Email is one, webcasts are another. Your intranet and internet sites are going to be very important, but don't forget face-to-face meetings, whether in town halls or seminars, or even training sessions for your supply chain or your own people internally. Twitter and other social media is becoming increasingly important too. A fourth point, easy to overlook but very important, is how you're going to keep on top of your communications. A common theme we hear is that it's easy to open comms channels, but it's hard to keep the information flowing, particularly in times of prolonged uncertainty. Involving a comms or PR team to create a schedule of touchpoints is a really worthwhile investment of time and resource. For more updates and insights, visit our Brexit website, deloitte.com/Brexit.